talking. I'm showing you guys how to not just work on your chest, not to work on your arms, but work on your legs. You want to put some energy a lot on your legs because people, the older you get, your legs, well, you don't want your legs to be too tired if you are standing, like whatever job you work at. If it's a position where you're standing up all day, you don't want your legs to be sleepy, tired, drained out, and everything like that. So you want to work out your legs. You want to work on your thighs. You want to work your ankles. You want to work out your calves. You want to work them motherfuckers out. Like I told y'all, this year it's all about keep pushing. Especially when I'm about to start living on my, being on my own completely. I need to make sure that I get a few exercises in. I need to get a goddamn gym membership because I'm going to, it don't matter where I live. I mean, it doesn't matter where I live in the near future. Sooner or later, I'm going to be like, it's time to really apply for a gym. It's time to get a gym membership. I might get one at Planet Fitness, like I told y'all last year. I need to get it. It needs to be a gym membership because I know me not being around people, I'm going to start feeling lonely and depressed, and I don't want that to happen. With somebody with a depression, anxiety, and it's gonna get like, damn nigga, you need to get out more or something like that, because you don't want to. You don't want to start being depressed. You don't want to start just being like, oh, stay in all day, every day. Just because you go to work from 10:30 to 6:30 at night doesn't mean that you can just go straight in the place that you pay rent to and you just be there all day. So you need to get your black ass up and go to the gym. Because buying a whole bunch of weights, dumbbells, and workout chairs and sets and crap, that eventually, first of all, that costs a lot of money. I'm going to be on my own soon, so I can't really spend a lot of money like that. I can't keep going on Amazon and spending money on this and that and that. I mean, I could. I really don't want to. You know what I'm saying? It's time to really go to a gym. I mean, you see a lot of people who are athletic who actually go to the gym, record themselves in the gym every day and every night. They go record them doing bench presses, squats, deadlifts, all type of stuff. So I want you to do the same. Just record yourself in the gym. Show people that are subscribed to your channel that you are serious about getting fit, being healthy. So, yeah, it's definitely time to get a gym membership because it's gonna be fun recording myself in the gym. It's definitely gonna be fun because y'all definitely gonna be like, damn nigga, I see you actually improving. You know what I'm saying? I see you actually hitting the squats, hitting the dumbbells, hitting the weights. You're not just lifting 12 pounds or 20 pounds, 25 pounds of, curls. You're hitting 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 100. And then when I hit to 100, lifting with dumbbells, curls and all that, that's not even just going to be surprised. It is gonna be a surprise to me. But that way, when you lift more, your muscles gonna start growing and growing. My muscles already growing in my arms. It's not the same how it was few months back. Cause remember, before I start working out, before I start doing workout videos on this channel, I wasn't doing no workouts at all. I wasn't working out. I wasn't doing push-ups. I wasn't doing no curls. I wasn't going on Amazon buying dumbbells and different pounds, different weights on Amazon. I say fuck it. I don't want to exercise. I don't want to work out. I don't care if let my body be skinny. Let me just be a skinny ass dude that's in his 30s. Let me just be skinny. And I realized that you could be skinny all you want, but eventually you're gonna be tired of being just skinny. You're gonna want to work out. Hold on, y'all. 10:36. Eventually you're gonna tell yourself, okay, do you want to keep on being skinny? Do you want to just eat little portions of food every now and then, every other week, every other day, every other month, and then you're gonna stay the weight that you are, but eventually you're gonna have to work it out, because you don't know what position that you'll ever be in. Someone is gonna piss you off. Somebody's gonna piss you off. Somebody's gonna try to rob you. Somebody's going to start drama, call you out. If you're minding your own business and you're not really now they could call me any name in the book. I'm gonna keep walking. Now, if you put your hands on me, if you think you're gonna rob me or take my phone or take my wallet or just if you think in your crazy ass mind that you think you're going to rob me, you got another thing coming. You'll be shot before I'll be shot of myself. But like I said, I'm not doing it to be proven to anybody, to make any female or any person that come in and out of my life, make them think like, oh, he real buff, he swole, he works out, he's fit. No, I'm not doing it for you. I'm doing it for me. But I always tell y'all on my channel, everything that I'm doing from this moment point on in my life, I'm doing it for me. Whether you like it, whether you believe it, there's a lot of things that's about to happen. I see changes. I see a possibility of just everything about to be different. That's coming towards my life. I'm blocking affection. I'm blocking horniness. I'm blocking negativity. I'm blocking being around new friends and everything. I'm blocking that. I'm blocking it for a while. Probably for the rest of the year until probably next year or probably the end of the year. By the time the end of the year comes, before the end of the year ends, I'm definitely going to be, I I eventually open up more. I eventually want to be around certain people. I eventually want to start dating or going out on dates. I eventually want to take it slow with that person, whoever that person is, male, female, whatever. I eventually, but I have a trust issue. So if I don't trust you like that, and if I'm never gonna trust you, it's going. Don't take offense to it, but this is who I am. Yeah. But 2025 is definitely here, and it's time to suck it up. Prepare for, prepare to do great things. Prepare to be smart. Prepare to focus on me, not nobody else, just me. But as always, I appreciate y'all watching my videos. This was a quick video. This was a part 2 of No Talking, of me working on my thighs, working on my legs, and working on my arms, and definitely working on my chest. So, yeah. So hopefully y'all seen it. Y'all actually do it. And, yep. Back to work I go tomorrow, so I gotta get some good sleep tonight. Probably gonna take me a while to go to sleep because I slept from 9 to 2 o'clock in the evening. Or was it 30 something in the evening? So yeah, it's definitely gonna take me a while to go to sleep, but eventually I'll get some go to sleep. Like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications, some more videos coming. And I will see y'all tomorrow. Good night, good morning, good evening. Peace out.